Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcy K, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing some holiday collections. I have 3 holiday collections that have been patiently sitting on my dresser waiting for me to unbox, but I wanted to do it in a video so you guys could see everything. We have 2 Ulta collections and a Kota collection from Sephora out for holiday. And I figured let's open it up and see what we have. So the first one, this is one that I got during either Black Friday or Cyber Monday on Ulta, and it is a fragrance Faves for her. It looks like this, and there was a women's and a men's option, and I think they were something like $15 each. Now supposedly this is a $29.50 value, which is what it says on the sticker up here, and you get samplers of all of these plus a gift card and a included atomizer. So if you are a fragrance junkie or just looking to try some new stuff, get a collection, whatever, this is probably the way to do it. It does come in this really awesome just magnetized case, which I really appreciate. And you just flip it open and there everything is laid out for you. So you do have a little plastic thing keeping it protected on top, and you just have your $15 gift card, which is $15 off any fragrance purchase from any of the brands featured in the box. You have your atomizer in the middle, and then all of your different fragrances. So these do pretty much appear to just be like your standard sample size. Actually, you know what? Hold on one second. So this is like a little Gucci sampler that I got in a previous purchase, and if I line it up, it is the same size. So yeah, they are just these little deluxe samplers, which, you know, could last for, you know, a couple sprays and that's it. Just enough so you actually get a general idea of what the smell is and whether or not you would like it. Maybe a night out, maybe 2 nights out, or 2 days at the office, and then that's about it. It's pretty much empty from there. Looking at the package, you do get some pretty good, like, highly coveted high-end brands in this, like Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue I absolutely love. Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I love his Daisy collection. Michael Kors, Amazing Grace, The New Coach, Clinique, Alien, I think this is. So you do get a bunch of, you know, really highly loved, highly rated scents, and the atomizer alone I think is worth it, just because it's always nice to have something like this around if you don't already have it, because these are just super easy to lose. They get broken, they get, you know, whatever. It's nice to have this. I don't know if this is still available on Ulta's site. I know it had sold out during the holiday sales, but if you can snag it up, I definitely think it would be worth it. And then just as a note, it does give you everything that's listed on the back. So the next thing that I wanted to open up is also something I got on sale during Ulta's Black Friday or Cyber Monday. And it is the Skin Loving Ingredients box, and it was only $10. I think I might have even gotten it for less than $10, but it was $10. It's labeled as $10 at a $20 value, and supposedly you're just getting little samples of all of these awesome things. Handy dandy scissors, and the only thing I really question about these is, like, you know, how big the products actually are. Like, are you getting like Ipsy size products? Are you just getting like little teeny tiny, like, you know what I mean? Is it even worth the $10 if you're just getting like one and done kind of sample products? So opening the box up, it does come wrapped, and there's 2 of these. So here's the first one. The first package comes with a little travel size of the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff. I always have it in my bathroom. So I am really happy to have just like a little backup or a travel one if I need it. This is a cult classic. Everyone knows and loves this pretty much. So I think it's a good thing to have. And it's definitely something that I would want, use, and appreciate in a box like this. The next one is from Shea Moisture, and it is their 100% virgin coconut oil daily glow priming moisturizer. So it does come in like a little Ipsy sized or Sephora Play sized sample jar. You get 0.21 ounces or 6 grams of product. And I've never used or heard of this product before. Ooh, it's thick like a paste. I don't know if you can see that. It's thick like a paste. It does have a very coconut smell to it. I like the smell though. And it is very much so like just a regular lotion. The next thing in this particular package is the Simple Sensitive Skin Experts Kind to Skin Cleansing Wipes. And it says that it even removes waterproof mascara and waterproof makeup. So it's just a little travel size. This is perfect to just throw in the bag, you know, at the gym, at work, if you need to do a touch-up, whatever. I have used the Simple Wipes before, although I have not used this particular one, but it does say that it is part of the Allure Best Of, so I have to believe that it is a cult favorite. Next is from Pacifica, and it is the Super Green Detox Kale and Charcoal Facial Mask. It's supposed to help with clogged pores and blemish-prone skin types, and it has kale, charcoal, cilantro, and green tea, and it looks like a sheet mask, at least on the back. So, I mean, a sheet mask alone is usually anywhere between, what, $3 to $6. So I would say it's at least a quarter to half of the entire box's price just for this singular mask. So I'm excited to give this a go. I always love trying out masks. Geez, I have a whole video dedicated to just Tony Moly sheet masks somewhere in here if you scroll down. But yeah, I'm super excited to give this a shot. Ooh, okay. So this is a little deluxe sample. Again, like something you would get in an Ipsy or a Sephora Play. The Cerave Moisturizing Cream for Normal to Dry Skin. It's supposed to moisturize, restore, maintain, and protect your skin's barrier. I know everyone loves this brand. It's easily accessible and affordable at the drugstore. And I know this is also a cult favorite. Next is from Bior and is the Charcoal Self-Heating 1 Minute Mask. It is a single-use pack. I've never seen this before. I'm excited to give that a go, but they seem to be really focusing. I mean, obviously it's a skincare box, but they really seem to be focusing on masks and lotions in this one. And I also have an Ulta Beauty brand product. This is their Hydrating Glitter Peel Off Mask in Strawberries and Champagne. Now I know glitter masks were having a moment ever since Glam Glow released theirs. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of glitter in my skincare, but I'll give it a try. And you know what? I haven't bought anything from Ulta's own beauty brand in a hot minute, but I've heard they've really stepped up their game and that they actually have some pretty amazing products out there if you're willing to take the risk and buy some. Now the last thing in the package is from Yes To, and it's another mask. It is the Yes To Tomatoes Clear Skin Charcoal Mask. So again, I know this is like $2 to $4 at CVS because I was actually just looking to purchase it. But this appears to be, I think it's a mud mask, but charcoal definitely seems to be a theme here because you have this one, the Bior one, and the Pacifica one all have charcoal in them. So if you're a fan of charcoal masks, I think you would really like this box. In all, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products for $10. It's almost $1 a product. Honestly, I think that's a pretty good deal. Again, I don't know if this is still available, if it was just like a Black Friday exclusive, if it's sold out. If it is still available, I will definitely have this one and the fragrance one linked down below. But if skincare is your thing and you're interested in trying out a whole bunch of different brands, this might be the way to do it. Also, I can see people buying this box and splitting it up as like stocking stuffers or gifts for people at the office, you know, something like that. Now, the last product I got, I have been patiently waiting for Sephora to have one of their epic sales so I could restock, and it is a Kota holiday package. Now, I got this specifically for one product, and that is the Kota Vino Perfect Serum Eclat. You guys know I love this. I rave about it. It's like skincare magic, I swear, especially if you are someone that struggles with like dullness and acne scarring and dark spots and all that. This guy right here in the middle will remedy all of it. Now, the thing is that he does have a pretty hefty price tag at $79. Now you understand why I wait for the Sephora sale. However, what I like about this package is the entire trio is $79. So you are getting 3 products for the price of one full-size product in the package. So what else does this come with? Well, first off, let's start with what's actually called, and it's in French, so I probably won't say it right. But it is the Kota Les Heroes d'Eclat Instantané, aka it's the Kota Brightening Heroes featuring the Vino Perfect. So you do have, like I said, as you can see, 3 products in here. You have their essence, you have the serum, and you have the Overnight Renewal Cream. Now, I've never used the Overnight Renewal Cream. This has rave reviews on Sephora, and I think I've had it in the past, and this is the star that everybody loves. I think it has like 5-star reviews on Sephora. Like, I'm not the only person who swears by this, okay? Regardless of whether Sephora is having a sale or you can use points or whatever the deal is, now I happened to just use $20 off, you know, whatever that sale was after the VIB sale from Sephora. So I actually scored this for like $65, which I'm super pumped about. But listen, even if you don't get to use like a Sephora sale, $79 for the 3 of them, like I said, you're still getting a deal because he is usually priced at $79 on his own. And Kota is one of those brands that they're known for their skincare. They're known that their products actually work, and people rave about them. So I'm super excited about this. If you can still pick it up and you seriously love skincare, or you have some major problems and nothing else has worked, I recommend making the splurge and giving this guy a shot. Now, I have been saving my Ulta points for like 2 years now or something crazy, so I went into Black Friday ready to spend those points because I think I had like $187 in points, so I did. So I did get a couple more stragglers. The first one I got, and I've heard everybody talking about this, it is the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. So it's the one that you just stick the Q-tip in, you know, take it out, you don't shake it up or anything, you put it on, and supposedly your acne disappears like overnight. So we're gonna give this guy a shot. And I also restocked on my butter bronzer and my Hula Quickie contour stick. Guys, I know this had like its moment when it first came out, but if you're really serious and you love cream contour and you're looking for a good, you know, travel-friendly cream contour stick, I love this guy. I'm wearing him right now. It's like perfect for me. Perfect. I love it. Now, every year Urban Decay also runs a holiday special where they give you 2 full-size all-nighter setting sprays for $40. Now, typically I think these retail for what, almost $40 on their own. I think they're like $32 each or something like that now, which is crazy to me, but I always try to get this when it comes around for holiday just because I think it's worth it. $20 each. I don't use setting spray every day, so I am considering like putting this in a giveaway or, you know, doing something like that where, you know, I can give you guys something like this, especially because I know how expensive this is just for a setting spray. So if you guys would like this, let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to do some kind of giveaway, whether it just be this or this with a couple other things. Let me know in the comments down below. Another thing I picked up was this cute little like elf ring light for your phone. It was pretty affordable. It was $12. It was on Ulta's website, and it's just like a clippy, just like how you would clip like a bag of chips or something close. So you just clip it on your phone. There's a little button right here, and you turn the button on, and I don't know how well you guys could see, but it does. It's just like a little ring light. You can shut it off, and you have 3 settings of light. So for $12, I thought it was worth a try. Now the only thing that I do see a problem with is when I clip it, sometimes I have to be really careful because, especially with this phone case, it clips right over the camera of at least the back camera. So you have to be cognizant of kind of where you're clipping it and how you want it to light up and go. But otherwise, I thought that was pretty cute and a pretty good deal. The only other thing I spent all my points on is, and Eva is in the room next door, so I don't really want to say it too loud, but I got a whole ton of Ulta like bath bombs and soaps and stuff like that. She loves bath bombs. It is her favorite part of bath time. So I did use the rest of my points to try those out because I never tried them before. But if you have tried any of the Ulta brand bath bombs or soaps, please let me know how they are in the comments down below and if they're worth it. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to keep up with me, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to see what I have coming up, especially if you're interested in that giveaway. You can also follow me on all of my social media. I'm at Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, the whole 9 at Marcy_K with 2 Y's, just like it is here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!